Yeah, Tumsa Nahi Dekha, unfortunately, it did not really do as well as expected.
Yeah.
Must hurt? That must have hurt.
Well, definitely, Tumsa Nahi Dekha, we were expecting it to do a lot better than it all actually turned out. But I don't regret doing any of the films I do. I get into projects, I go by an instinct, and if it doesn't work out, then you can introspect, you can look back and see why it didn't work, and you might find 10 reasons why it did not, 10 reasons why it should have. So no regrets. The, the idea is to keep the ball rolling, do films, work with good people, and I'm sure if what I felt was that Tumsani Dekha was a certain subject that was brought in at a time when the audience's taste buds were not, they were not, I mean, they didn't want to see a film like that at that point. So that could be a reason. But still, I enjoyed working on that film. It was a great learning experience. And I don't think anything was lost. I only gained from that film. The character I played was a very intense, very complex character. So I learned a lot along the way.
Celebrity's life. Do you think a celebrity should be offered the space?
Well, I personally, I speak for myself, I'm completely okay with it. If you're going to use the media to promote yourself, if you're going to use it to get where you want to, then obviously it's going to use you in a way that, it's a give and take thing. So you can't say that, yeah, you be there for me when I want to make a statement, and at the same time, back off or abuse them if they want to do their own thing. So I'm pretty open with it. I have nothing to hide. My life is an open book. So I basically, uh, you know, look at the media as something that, it goes hand in hand. So I have nothing to hide from the media.
So does that mean that you admit your relationship with Dia Mirza in public?
Well, if there was a relationship, I'll admit to it. There
That's
wasn't.
been very, very, very diplomatic.
We very see. This is how it is. We are very good friends. If you were to see us together, we're very pally, we're very comfortable with each other. Some people misinterpret that as some people misinterpret the and my relationship as a serious relationship or of us seeing each other. But unfortunately for everyone, we're not seeing each other. We were never seeing each other. We're just great pals.
So who is it?
Who is it? Well, right now I'm not ready to get into a relationship. I think my work is taking much of my time. It would be a disastrous relationship if I were to step into one right now, because of the simple fact that I wouldn't be able to give the relationship that much time. So, if that one woman has to come along, she will someday. I'm not waiting and hoping that someone will. It just happens. So I'm just concentrating my work right now and having a lot of fun.
Coming back to Zahir, tell me about the scene that was being shot right now.
I can't read the details because again it's thriller, suspense thriller. This is basically an action scene that we're shooting. All the characters are there in the film. A very important part of the film, and basically the story progresses, with this scene. So it's a very important scene in the film.
Most of your films, in fact, I think all of your films have been with the Bhatt camp.
Yeah.
Uh, is it that you're more comfortable with them, or
Well, definitely I'm comfortable with them. They are the people who gave me my first film. They are the people who gave me the Bud Camp. The Bud Camp gave me Footpath, and after that Murder and Tumsa Nahi Dekha. And I was there. Very grateful to them. Um, it wasn't also that I was complacent. It's just that post Murder, I got a lot of offers that kind of didn't really do much for my career. They were the same thing again, and I believe as an actor, I, I don't want to take on too many films that I can't handle. Like to work on a few subjects at a time and do different genres of films in a year. If I would do 3 films in a year, I would want each film to be of a different genre. And yes, I am doing outside films. I have taken on films from the outside companies. After this post Zahir, there is another film, a big film of mine that's coming out in March. I can't reveal right now which company, but it's releasing in March. We've already started shooting for it. So yeah, definitely I'm working with outside companies. And Bud Camp will always be there. It's a home concern. It's my family company. I am not just an actor here. I take an active role in all the departments of filmmaking. I'm very passionate about filmmaking. So yeah, there'll always be a film with the Bhatt Camp in a year, and I've started taking on outside offers now because there are better offers coming in right now. When they see an actor's potential, then scripts start catering to the kind of roles you want to play. They see you in what mold or what you're capable of, and then they start. So I think it's not taken me much time. 4 films, and now people from outside have started approaching me, so I'm taking on films. Yeah.